My craft fair is coming up and I want to share with you my decorations and some things I'm doing to prepare for it. What's going on, my fellow jewelers? Okay, this is like the final stretch before my craft fair, which is going to be on Saturday. And this is the week I don't spend any more time making jewelry. This is the time I prep for my booth. I prep for the money I need. I do my list. I pack. And so today I went shopping for decoration. So I'm going to show you in a second what I got. But I wanted to just show you guys some of the jewelry I'm selling. And I did these for you guys as videos, as tutorials. Look at them. Oh my gosh. This is probably my favorite. I love the daisies in the bezels. Oh my gosh. But I also did daisies not in bezels and I am in love with them as well. Look at these. Oh, this is backwards. I love it. I love it. Which one do you love better? The bezels or not the bezels? Oh my gosh. And then I also did some teardrop ones. I really wanted to go with a spring theme. Like I mainly made just flower jewelry so that people would be in the mood for spring because they are ready for it here. Like the snow has melted for the most part and people are ready for that warm weather. So I feel like it's going to pull people in. So I made a ton of jewelry for spring. So let's talk about the decorations I got for the booth. Now, for me, I have about 4 of these. You don't want too many because I feel like people get overwhelmed. This actually does twirl. So I buy about 4 of them. But then on top of that, I was so excited to find these. I found these colorful trees. Oh my gosh, look at these. I had mini trees for Christmas and they seem to do pretty good with jewelry I wanted to pop out at people instead of just getting lost in all my my displays. And so I found Easter blue and pink ones. And then also they were selling Christmas ones, but it's white. So I'm gonna have 3 trees where I'm showing the jewelry that I really want to highlight, like my favorite pieces and stuff. And then to match them, I got these as runners. Oh my gosh, it matches the color perfectly because this is what I put on my table. This is heavy material. I get it on Amazon, so you can look in the description below if you want, same as me. It goes under the leg, so if there's wind or people there's not gonna be wind inside, but you know, if I was outside, if there was wind or people like touch it and it moves, this won't because it actually goes so far down that it goes under the legs and sticks to it, but it's just black. So I find that really plain. So that's why I got these runners. Oh my gosh. And then here's the deal. I found this and I got this for free. I know it's a wine thing, but this is actually where I put like my welcome sign up and I just hang it at the top and I put it on top of my tables so that people can see it. They don't have to look down to see it, but I wanted to put a sign. Last year I put like season's greetings or something. It was really pretty. I wanted to go for a spring theme. I didn't really want to do Easter. I don't know. I didn't want bunnies. It just wasn't my thing. But then I found the perfect sign that I couldn't help. It went with the pink and blue theme. And I got, this is, it's so like cheesy cute, but I love it. It says, "Every bunny welcome." Isn't that? I know it's so cheesy, but I thought it was so perfect. I didn't want like welcome. I didn't want like happy Easter. I wanted like a welcome. I love Easter. I am a diehard Easter person. I just really wanted spring for some reason, but I couldn't help it as I pass this. "Every bunny welcome." So I'm gonna hang this up on here. And it's going to go on top of my tables. And I just wanted to bring some color and some pop to my table other than my jewelry. So again, all my tables are in black. And then this will make my table pop. So I want to hear from you. How do you decorate your tables, your displays? What do you do? What do you use to make your jewelry pop? I want to know. So this whole week, I'm bringing you along. I will be packing up my van. I'll be making a list. Connecting you guys as I go, connecting the dots as I go to this craft fair. So you can catch me in these next couple videos for this week. But that's all I got for you guys today. Make sure you tune in to more of my craft fair videos that are coming up. All right, I'll see you on the next one. Bye.